from Bowflex, this is the adjustable dumbbell, and it's a must for anyone that wants to, train, do some weight training, but does not have a lot of room to have all these dumbbells all over the place. All you need to do is select your weight. So let me check 25, and I'm going to put 25 on each side right here, and lift. And look at this. It is selecting only the actual weights that I'm looking for. And I put it back in. Let's say I decide to go a little lower now. I'm going to go and decide and do 10. So I'm going to put it at 10, and super easy. 10 is there, and it's very light, of course. Now put it back in. And this time around, I'll go to the max. And the max is right here. Let me show you. 52 and a half. And I'm going to do that on both. So it goes from 5 pounds to 52 pounds and a half. And then boom, I pick everything up and everything is in my hand. I can put it back on there. All safe and ready to go. It is such a, not only a time saver because you're not running after other dumbbells, but it's also so functional and so practical. And they're really, really sturdy. They stay this way for a super long time, and the handle is grippy and does not hurt. So that's a plus too. So we're big fans of the Bowflex. It's a great addition to any home gym.